Exercise 7.2 of chapter Coordinate Geometry. The question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the point -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. By using the section formula, x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. The points are -1, 7 and 4, -3 and ratio m1 is to m2 equal to 2:3. x1 equal to -1, x2 equal to 4, y1 7, y2 -3, m1 2 and m2 3. By putting the value of this formula, x equal to m1 is 2 and m2 equal to 3. m1 x2 is 4 plus m2 3 into -1 and upon m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 3. 8 minus 3 by 5. 5 by 5 equal to 1. X equal to 1. And y equal to m1 y2. m1 is 2 and y2 is -3. And m2 y1. y1 is 7 upon 2 plus 3. -6 plus 21 by 5. 21 minus 6 is 15 by 5 equal to 3. The coordinates of the point is 1, 3. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisecting of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2 and -3. Trisecting means in 3 parts, dividing in 3 parts. 2 points A 4, -1 and B -2, -3, dividing in 3 parts 1, 2 and 3. Let the point, this one is P and this is Q. Then AP is to PQ is the ratio 1:2. AP is to PB is equal to 1:2. It means m1 equal to 1 and m2 equal to 2. Find the coordinates of P. X equal to m1 x2 here -2 and m2 x1 4 by 1 plus 2. -2 plus 8 by 3. 6 minus 8 minus 2, 6 by 3 is 2. And y coordinate, m1 is 1, y2 is -3 plus m2 is 2 into -1 by 1 plus 2. -3 minus 2 -5 by 3. X equal to 2, y equal to -5 by 3. It means the coordinates of point P equal to 2 and -5 by 3. Similarly, we can find the coordinates at Q. AQ is 2, ratio is to 1. The coordinates of A 4, -1 and B -2, -3. AQ is to QB 2:1. Coordinates of Q, X equal to m1 is 2. x2 is -2 plus m1 m2 x1 by 2 plus 1. -4 plus 4 by 3, it means this is 0. And y equal to m1 y2. m1 is 2, y2 is -2, -3 sorry. m1 by 2 plus m2 by 2 plus 1. -6 minus 1 by 3. It means -7 by 3. The coordinates of the Q is 0, minus 7 by 3. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Lines have been drawn with a chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter and 100 flower pots have been placed at the distance of 1 meter from each other. Niharika has 1/4 of the distance AD on the second lane and post a green flag. Preeti runs 1/3 of the distance AD on the 8th lane. The post of the red flag. What is the distance between both the lanes? First we have to find the coordinates of A, the second lane, and 1/4 yani 100, 225, and the coordinates of Preet is 8, 20. To find the distance between these 2 points by distance formula. If the Rohan has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the points, where should the post her flag? Okay, midpoint of these 2 points. A point is 225 and B 820, and find the distance between these 2 points by distance formula. X2, it means 8 minus 2 whole square and 20 minus 25 whole square. It means 6 square and minus 5 square. 36 plus 25. It means root 61 units. The distance between these 2 units. And the third one is find the midpoint. Put the flag in the halfway. It means the midpoint. The formula of midpoint is x1 x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Here first 2 plus 8 by 2 and 20 plus 25 by 2. It means 10 by 2 is 5 and this is 22.5. This is the point, and find the distance midpoint from this 22.5 meter. Next question. Question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 310 and 6 minus 8 is divided by minus 1 6. This is the question. A point minus 310, B is the 6 minus 8, and coordinates of the points minus 1 6. M1 is 2, let the K is to 1. We have to find the K. The first X equal to, using the formula M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2. M1 is K, X2 is 6, and M2 is 1 and minus 3 by K plus 1, and X equal to minus 1. By cross multiplying, minus K minus 1 equal to 6K minus 3, and rearrange this minus K minus 6K minus 3 plus 1 minus 7K equal to minus 2, K equal to 2 by 7. It means the ratio is to 2 by 7 is to 1. It means 2 is to 7. This is the ratio, 2 is to 7. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by the x-axis, and also find the coordinates of the point of division. Okay. A 1 minus 5, B minus 4 5 divided by the at x-axis x 0. Let us take the y coordinate. Y coordinate formula m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Let the ratio is k is to 1. Here is m1 is k, y0, m1 is k, y2 is 5 plus m2 1 is to minus 5 upon k plus 1. By cross multiplying, 5k minus 5 equal to 0, k equal to 1. Yani it means ratio is 1 is to 1. K equal to 1, it means 1 is to 1. And also find the coordinates of point of division. Now we have to find the x. M1 x2 plus m1 x1 m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. m1 is 1, x2 is minus 4, m2 is 1 plus 1, minus 4 plus 1 by 2, it means minus 3 by 2, and y coordinate is 0, hence the point of coordinates minus 3 by 2 and 0. This is the answer. Okay, thank you.